Hello everybody, today we are checking out the Acapulco by Musikding, the pedal that I built. I've got it hooked up to my JCM900 and we're recording with an SM57 and my trusty Epiphone Sheraton. We're going to check out the bridge pickup with the volume turned all the way up, see what's up. As you can tell, this pedal is pretty heavy, pretty gnarly. Let's do a quick mix-up. We'll switch over to both pickups, and I like to turn down the volume knob on the neck pickup just a little bit. See what that sounds like. Here we go. Me from the past. And finally, let's switch over to our neck pickup, volume turned all the way up. If you roll your volume down on your guitar, you get some cool overdrive sounds. Let's check those out, starting with the bridge pickup. Now let's roll the volume down on our neck pickup. I love this setting a lot. I was playing the other day with on a cold autumn day. It just has this really warm but still like crispy, crunchy goodness to it. I love it. Let's check it out. Let's just check it out. I'll stop talking. Let's start playing. You. So that was our demo. Let me know what you think about this pedal in the comments, and I'll talk to you there. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and then we will catch you on the next one. Have a great weekend, everybody. See you later.